Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1965 Ford Mustang. One of America's favorite classic car vehicles. Of course, everyone you see online is mostly a 66, 67 or above. You don't really get to see too much of the 65 or, if you're lucky, 64 and a halves. But anyway, the one we have here at Skyway Classics includes a very nice red exterior with a black interior. Good combination. Got the floor shifter, got your little aftermarket style AC system, aftermarket retro sound radio. Although you still have a little bit of the original stuff. You got your working speedometer and gauges. Got the old-fashioned big wheel. In fact, one of the really nice things I saw on the exterior was it still had the old-fashioned hubcaps that usually most of the time they put the new plastic kind on, which really don't really fit the old style. But going up the road now, she's got a good little performance on her. When you look in the engine bay, you can see it has a little customization, but still rides very nice as it did off the line. With that straight pipe out the back, sure does give it a nice sound. And of course, this is a 289, not your old grandpa V6 6-cylinder. Anyway, now we're gonna get her turned around up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.